What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys my longboard, the Dropcat 33. So let's get right into the video. The Landyachtz Dropcat 33 is made out of 100% Canadian maple, but 9+, and gives a really good flex. And I'm jumping on it with my full weight. It's really easy to get a good slide when going down a hill. The wheels on the Dropcat are Plow Kings, and they're amazing for going over rough terrain and bumpy sidewalks. And they also are 78A, which make them really good soft wheels, and they're basically can go over anything. Even a crappy rough terrain road like this is no match for the Plow Kings. Go over and last but not least, the trucks. These are Bear trucks. They are amazing for carving and making sharp turns. They're super good and come on, I'm pretty sure all of the Landyachtz boards, and also come with the soft gray bushing. That was my Landyachtz Dropcat 33 review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and also leave a comment on what I should do next. More videos like this will be coming soon, so make sure to turn on that notification bell.